Did you know that not all the nitrogen you apply ends up in the harvest? A large proportion is lost. Another part creates imbalances, and in many cases, it can even reduce the crop's productive potential. In this video, we're going to look at how NHDelta technology works and why it completely changes the way the plant uses nitrogen. Nitrogen is essential for plants in processes such as chlorophyll formation, amino acid synthesis, and protein production. But there is a major issue. Most nitrogen is applied either in nitrate form or quickly ends up converted into this chemical form from urea or ammonium. And what does this lead to? Excess vegetative growth. Apical dominance, reduced root development, increased sensitivity to pests and diseases, loss of quality in fruit and other harvestable parts, irregular coloration, root loss when nitrogen is not properly assimilated. In addition, we see leaching volatilisation, pollution. In short, low efficiency and high cost. By contrast, NHDelta supplies nitrogen in amide form, NH2, a much more efficient form. It is mobile in both the xylem and phloem and can be applied either via irrigation or foliar application. This enables direct absorption of nitrogen by the plant with no losses in the soil, no volatilisation, and no leaching. But the real key is this. Once inside the plant, it requires no energy to be assimilated, unlike nitrate, which requires up to 50% more energy to be processed. Under normal conditions, the plant must expend energy to transform nitrogen, synthesize amino acids and urides, and carry out processes such as transamination. These processes are highly energy demanding. NHDelta acts as a direct precursor. The plant does not need to spend energy, does not need to convert external amino acids, and does not accumulate unnecessary compounds. This results in greater metabolic efficiency, more available energy, and improved growth. Here is one of the most important points. NHDelta changes the plant's hormonal balance, reducing the excessive effect of auxins and increasing cytokinin production. What does this mean? With nitrates, plants develop long but poorly functional roots, fewer root hairs, and root loss under stress conditions. In contrast, with NHDelta, plants develop more lateral roots, more root hairs, a more active root system, and a more generative growth habit that expresses the plant's productive potential. More roots equals more uptake equals higher yield. In addition, NHDelta technology improves rhizosphere acidification, enhances nutrient and water uptake, and stimulates beneficial microbiology. The use of NHDelta allows a 20 to 30% reduction in nitrate use, reduces environmental losses, and improves fertilizer efficiency. At crop level, this results in more balanced plants, greater stress tolerance, better fruit set, and higher quality produce. NHDelta is not just a nitrogen source. It is a technology that changes how the plant grows. More roots, greater efficiency, higher yield, because ultimately, production always starts with the roots.